Next time, during graduation, make sure that you have something also for KCB so that we make it a corporation. Without much ado, Your Excellency, allow me to finish here. We'll welcome our director later to give his speech. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you very much. Aya, tujipange kwa makofi 1, 2, 3. Tena. Thank you. Thank you the KCB Foundation team. Tumeshukuru sana. I think those are the people who have brought us here today. We are just moving up. Allow me to call the county director, Bwana Chirchil, to come under our award.
Thank you, County Secretary, Your Excellency, Governor KC County, Honorable Simba Arati, all protocol observed, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Happy New Year. My name is Philip Arati. I'm the County Director of Education representing national government. I'm happy to be here, to have been invited in this initiative of KC County Government and KCB Foundation, giving scholarship to our youth to get skills in our TVCs. I was really excited when I saw that because I've not seen this happening in many places, and I want to appreciate you, Your Excellency. This partnership doesn't just come by chance. The CEO has to be proactive and look for friends that can assist the youth. And I want to urge you where you can get more partners so that we have more youth getting skills, and then they can be able to build this nation in various capacities. To the beneficiaries of the scholarship, you are very lucky. I know we have got very many school leavers in KC County, but you are the pioneer, 1,000, you are very lucky. So my appeal to you, take your courses seriously, make sure you get certification, then of course you can be able to get employment or employ yourself. And I've heard from the manager that at the end of the course, you'll go for attachment and then you'll still be given support, post-training, so that you become useful and you make use of your skills. Of course, every year we release exams at different levels. Today we are releasing KCSE. Some students make to university, others go to tertiary, diploma, others go to TVCs, and there are others who stay at home because the parents lack resources. So we want to appreciate the initiative, KCB Foundation and county government, for making it possible for you to learn. So to the instructors, let us impart knowledge to these people so that we get value for money. The government is putting money on KCB, so we want to get value for money. So I'll be brief as that. Thank you for inviting me. If the county secretary would allow me, I would invite the representative of the county commissioner. She's there, county commissioner representative, Pia Asemeneno, and then we hand over to the county secretary. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Chirchil, our Honorable Governor, KC County, elected members of County Assembly, chief officers, principals, instructors, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Good afternoon once more. My name is Felisa Ngumbao. I'm the Administrative Officer 1 from the County Commissioner's Office, KC County, and I'm here to represent him. With me, I have a brief speech from his office. Kindly allow me to go ahead and read. Thank you. It is a privilege to stand here today on behalf of the County Commissioner to express our heartfelt gratitude to KCB Foundation and KC County Government for their remarkable support and commitment to education. Education is more than just the acquisition of knowledge. It is a key that unlocks opportunities, empowers individuals, and transforms communities. Unfortunately, not everyone has equal access to this key. That's where organizations like KCB Foundation step in, bridging and making dreams possible. Through your unwavering dedication, KCB Foundation has provided hope to countless students and families who once saw education as a distant dream. whether through scholarships, resources, infrastructure, or mentorship programs. Your contributions have created a ripple effect of positive change. Your support has not only equipped students with the tools they need to excel academically, but also instilled in them confidence to chase their aspirations. You have proven that education is not just a responsibility of the government, but a collective effort that thrives when compassion and generosity come together. On behalf of the beneficiaries and the broader community, I would like to emphasize how deeply your work has touched lives. You've not only invested in education, but also in the future of our society. Your actions inspire us all to think beyond ourselves and to contribute toward building a better country. As we stand here today, let this moment serve as a testament to the profound impact organizations like KCB Foundation can have. Your vision, your efforts, and your generosity remind us that when we come together for a common purpose, the impossible becomes achievable. In closing, your support it is not just a gift, but a legacy that will continue to inspire and empower. God bless us. So, God bless Kenya. Thank you.
Asante sana. Makofi kwake 1, 2, 3. Tena. Asante sana, Bwana Commissioner. Madam, thank you for the good remarks. At this time, allow me to invite the coordinator, KCB. Thereafter, I'll call the leader majority. Thank you. Some bit of collection. Allow me to invite the leader majority to introduce his team. Thereafter, he'll make his remarks. Welcome.